Hi, welcome home. Well, welcome back to the Resiners Poorhouse. Super happy to have you here with me today to celebrate this Halloween season with Mini Scenes GB, Tracy over there, who has organized this with the Crafty YouTubers United International Discord group. So I'm not really a Halloween-y kind of a person. I used to be when my kids were little, but so I struggled with this, and because I have the coffin molds and the skull molds, but I thought maybe you could help me with this. Send me messages through. What is that? Hold on, let me get this. Okay, sorry, Dr. Pimple Popper followers, if you know, you know. Okay, so, what was I saying? So, I was thinking of creating my own little scary thingy here. I have some charms that are unconventional, and I have things like these hands, and this hanging body, some skulls, hatchets, cleavers, and was thinking of creating a gory kind of necklace. So I have this, I don't know, is it a caulk gun? A caulk gun? Caulk, or hot glue? Or is it, it's not a soldering iron. I don't know. Somebody tell me what this is. So anyway, I'm thinking that we could create some sort of gory scene here with some blood dripping down and whatnot. So let me shield my eyes while I pop the top off of this guy, and I didn't close my eyes on that. That could have been bad to the bone. Ooh, it kind of looks like a little crack in the armor. Alrighty. So, thank you for stopping by. Really happy to have you. I have my back brace on. I have my cushy seat. I have my special lumbar pillow. So, I'm in it for the long haul here. And have my UV resin out. And let's just try, I kind of want to try this, maybe it's, they call it a navy here. Kind of looks like a Halloween night. Oh, I wonder if I can put a bright moon behind it. Okay, so you want to get a layer down first. I hate to use my beautiful bezels on something that's not flowered, but that's okay. Okay, I'm going to look for something moony while this cures. Okay, so I don't even know how long I cured that for, but I pulled out these adhesive gems that I got for an upcoming project. I think I'm going to steal one of these. I got this at Hobby Lobby. Where I got the charms, I could not even begin to tell you. And there we have a full moon. It's a beautiful moon. It's a beautiful moon. And let us take some, oh my gosh, I got my trimmers today. I was in a car accident in 2011. Oh no. And oh Jesus, Jennifer, dumb nut. I don't know why I just did that. Really, that was just stupid. That was stupid. Don't. Oh my God. Okay. All right, we're okay. We're okay. We're okay. And then I forgot to mask it up. And that was dumb. Even more dumb of you. So I just, my UV bottle, I don't know how much I'm going to show, but it just got stuck, so I poured a bunch on, and it was just ridiculous, but it made me remember something that Crafting with Sierra does, and this is what I bought. Oh, not supposed to shake it. I got some liquid latex, and how long does it take to dry? But one of the things you do with it is put it along the sides of your mold or your bezel or whatever, and to basically mask it off. And I should have done that. I've got to remember that for next time. But I'm not going to do it this time because I actually think I'm gonna try to do some blood spatters around. It's floating. It's just okay. My table is level. Hey now, dude. It is level. Is it not level? It's level. Dude is possessed. He's possessed. Okay, I'm gonna have to hold him here while I cure him. But anyway, sorry, really quick. So I was in a car accident, was having back surgery, and my doctor cut my sciatic nerve. And so I've been on this nerve medication for a really long time, and it actually gives me tremors. So yay there. So that's why I trimmer. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm actually curing it a little bit further away from the light and kind of pushing it gently, tapping it gently at the same time, because I'm realizing that it's creating this warped sort of ripple effect, which I think is pretty darn cool, and it looks like it's kind of coming out at you. So that's why I have the light on while you're watching. So, but I do think this is gonna take a bit. So I don't know if you want to watch me cure this cleaver on here, but, and I love my Suzanne double-sided magnetic UV lamp here. It's very, very cool. You can break it into two, and it just connects here with magnets, and you can as long as one is plugged in and they're connected, they will both work. So pretty cool. It goes up to 5 minutes, which I love, 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 love. Sorry, just what if I did like a samurai sword on this guy? Look at all these cool swords I have. Okay, that was cool, Jen. Yay, you. Dumb bucket. Okay. Cleaver. I do not have ADHD. Although some people would probably think that I do, but I got little, ooh, whoops, I don't like that. That's not cured all the way. Okay, so I got some little indents. Gosh, I cannot use my words. Got some little indents that I don't like. So, oh, my favorite color just went on the ground. Oh, jeez. Okay. That was fun. So I want to take some clear. And apparently I want to cover up my moon. Sure. And then just to spread it all out, yeah, I'm just gonna mess up my ripples. Jeez. Jeez. Comedy of errors. Okay. Anyway. What not to do. Everything you don't want to do, watch my channel. Okay, I'm just going to attempt to attach this cleaver. Okay, and I know that I've said this before, but don't stare at the light. I do that, I kind of zone out. I'm like, oh, I have 2 minutes to kill or whatever, and I just sit there and I stare at my project, and then I go snowblind. I do, I go snowblind. I've done it like 3 times now, just staring at the UV light. Don't do it. Get these little UV glasses that yeah, I'm wearing. I'm wearing them. Okay, I think I have this guy attached. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna look for something bloody. Okay, supposedly this is red. Oh, have I never used this before? That's why I say supposedly, because aha, there's a color I haven't used. Can you believe it? And it's in my kit. It's unbelievable. I don't believe it.
This is a reminder.
And I got a reminder on my Siri or Alexa. She's not an Alexa.
This is a reminder.
She is a Ziggy, and he's got an Italian, no, an English accent. He's got an English accent. Okay, this is red. Is it real red though? Probably not. And I might end up having to do something else. Let me just, oh, he's sinking. That doesn't look very red. Okay, so a couple of options that we have here. Gonna find some stuff. Okay, as my friend Mrs. Lisa Crow says, if it's within your arm's reach, it was meant to be. So within my arm's reach, I found some resin dye in red. Now this is not a pigment paste or alcohol ink, it is a resin dye. So I'm going to attempt to make my own UV resin here by mixing this red dye with my red UV resin, and hopefully it'll ooh, that's bloody. Boop, boop, boop. Ooh. This is kind of dumb actually, because the skeleton is bone. Oh my god, I'm so ridiculous. That doesn't even make sense. There's no soft tissue on this. Yes, I'm being literal. Bones don't bleed. Jeez. Goodness. That looks wicked cool though. Okay, I am going to cure it. Alrighty, so I just went ahead and finished curing him. I think he turned out terrific. I put a pinch bail on here and red cord. I think it works great. So this is to show you that even though you mess up royally, like spilling an entire bottle of clear UV, look, you can't even tell. So just trust yourself, trust the process. Once you've been doing it for a while, you realize you can fix pretty much anything, and sometimes things will turn out better than you expect. So thank you for stopping by the Resiners Poorhouse. Remember to stay sticky, and you'll always have a home here.